Welcome back to the Mushroom Minute, only found on the Mushroom Network. And today, we focus on the smooth chanterelle mushroom, scientifically known as Cantharellus lateritius. But before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so that you stay in the loop. The smooth chanterelle mushroom is a gourmet favorite with its slightly peppery taste. It's a delicious addition to sauces and sautés. It's a mycorrhizal mushroom, which means it forms beneficial relationships with trees, enhancing their ability to absorb water and nutrients. Gotta love the wood wide web. The vibrant orange-yellow hue isn't just pretty, it's also a helpful identifier to distinguish the smooth chanterelle mushroom from other toxic lookalikes. Delicious and beneficial. That's the smooth chanterelle mushroom for you. Want to get your hands on some? Visit the Mushroom Network Marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe for even more fungal finds. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics, and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network, and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.